How did the universe go from a sea of invisible particles to vast glittering galaxies like the Milky Way? Let me take you back to the beginning. Right after the Big Bang, the universe was nothing but a hot, dense fog of energy and tiny particles, mostly hydrogen and helium atoms. There were no stars, no galaxies, just darkness. But gravity had a plan. Over millions of years there were tiny differences in density. Some places had just a bit more matter than others. Gravity grabbed hold of these denser regions, pulling in more and more gas. Eventually these clouds collapsed under their own gravity, heating up and igniting the very first stars. Stars didn't form alone, they came together in clusters bound tight by gravity. These clusters grew, merged, and evolved into the first galaxies, colossal systems made of billions, even trillions of stars, swirling with gas, dust, and mysterious dark matter. Over billions of years, galaxies didn't just sit still, they collided, combined, and twisted into new shapes, creating the spirals, giant ellipticals, and wild irregular galaxies we see today. All of this, every galaxy, every star, began with the simplest atoms, guided by the invisible hand of gravity. And the story isn't finished. Right now, our own Milky Way and the neighboring Andromeda galaxy are hurtling toward each other at about 250 kilometers per second. In roughly 4.2 billion years, these two giants will collide. Andromeda, with about 1 trillion stars, and the Milky Way, with around 300 billion, will merge into a single enormous elliptical galaxy. Their stars will settle into new orbits, gas and dust will mix, and the night sky will blaze with a spectacular cosmic display. From a sea of invisible particles to a universe filled with galaxies, and in the far future even bigger wonders await. That's the power of gravity, and the never-ending story of the cosmos.